Part 3 and respected listener, I will start today the new units of spectroscopy which is selected from BSc Part 3, selected from Unit 3 titled as spectroscopy. Dear students, we have completed our 2 units. In our previous lecture, Unit 1 titled as that is of quantum mechanics, Unit 2 titled as molecular orbital theory. I will start the new units titled as spectroscopy, which is chosen from BSc Part 3, selected from Unit 3 spectroscopy. First of all, let us try to understand about general introduction and definition of spectroscopy. We had the branch of physical chemistry. Spectroscopy actually has been used in order to define, in order to explain the general introduction of spectroscopy, the important postulates of spectroscopy on the behalf of following points. I have listed on the blackboard here. What is the role of spectroscopy? To explain the intensity, wavelength and optical phenomena of the molecules and vigor as the whole 7 colors light as in joint form. First of all, regarding to the definition, spectroscopy is the branch of physical chemistry which is mainly concerned the intensity, wavelength, dispersion of vigor and analysis and structure of the molecules by means of electromagnetic wave, electromagnetic radiations, sunlight, plane light or visible light. Such branch of the chemistry is known as spectroscopy. Once again, dear students of BSc Part 3, I repeat the definition of spectroscopy which is selected from BSc Part 3, chosen from Unit 3 as spectroscopy, the branch of the chemistry which is mainly concerned the dispersion, analysis, intensity, wavelength of vigor, dispersion, band spectra of light, electromagnetic wave, electromagnetic radiation and various colors of the light as vigor, as I have mentioned on the blackboard, and analysis and structure of the molecules. Such branch of the chemistry is known as that is of spectroscopy. Dear students, first of all, there are so many confusion in the student's mind about what do you mean by that is of sunlight, plane light, normal light or visible light. First of all, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice about the fundamental distinction of that is of sunlight. What is the difference between that is of sunlight and that is of visible light? Say sunlight, plane light, normal light, the category of the lights are the same. On the other hand, if we say we classify about that is of visible light, how we define sunlight, how we define plane light, how we define that is of visible light. Dear students, I defined. May I have attention your please about to define sunlight and that is of plane light. It is the light which is formed, which is the mixed form of 7 colors. I mean to say that is of Vibgyor: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and that is of red. The mixing form of Vibgyor's colors as intensity, as wavelength is known as that is of sunlight. I mean to say the combination, the mixing, the overlapping form of the Vibgyor's lights and its intensity is known as sunlight. When these sunlights is now allowed to pass into that is of diffraction grating or any device or that is of prism, you know, on the photographic plate the various bands are produced on the photographic plate. I mean to say the separation of this sunlight to produce individual bands is known as that is of spectrum. I have mentioned on the blackboard here 7 lambda show the presence of sunlight or plane light. When sunlight is now allowed to pass into prism device or diffraction device, bifurcation or the separation of the different lights is Vibgyor. After the diffraction of the light by means of that is a prism, the separation of light intensity, the separation of wavelength of light in the form of Vibgyor are known as that is of visible light. Once again try to understand, dear student of BSc Part 3, what is the fundamental difference between sunlight and that is of visible light. Sunlight, the light which is present in 7 lambda form, in which Vibgyor are mixed with each other. Such light is known as that is of sunlight, white light or plane light. When we separate the individual colors of the light on the photographic plate by means of prism, on the photographic plate, the individual lights are separated, their photographs are produced on the photographic plate. The bifurcation of 7 colors light are known as that is of visible light. Here I have mentioned here lambda that is of violet or lambda indigo, lambda that is of blue, and finally that is of lambda R. The intensity, the wavelength of lambda or light is known as that is of visible light. If these separated lights we produce in joint form, it is known as that is of sunlight, plane light. I mean to say prism, that is a such device which actually has been used for the separation of lights here. So dear student, it is the fundamental difference of sunlight and that is of visible light here. The dispersion on photographic plate in individual colors, such phenomena is known as that is of dispersion of the light here. Rest spectrum, what is the difference between spectrum and spectra, we will deliver in the classroom by means of spectroscopy in coming lectures. Thank you very much.